We're going to start using the Wonders website for our reading. So when you come to the slide like this, you will just explore. Anywhere you see this takes you to our Wonders website. Click the link. You'll need to go down and find My Class. Click. Then find your child's name. You'll put in their password. Then you'll have to log in. Launch. All right, then each week, all of these buttons will just take you to the material for the week. This is where you'll find your books. This is where you'll find the games. Some of these games we played in class. This is some writing practice, and we'll go over your sight words and your vocabulary words. Now keep in mind, sight words are the ones they need to know by sight. When they see it, not sounding it out. The vocabulary words are just for them to understand and know the meaning. If I have assigned something, it will be right up here under the to-do. So make sure you click that, and it will be listed here. You can click on it. It will show up right over here. Click it will open it up in a new window. Now, down at the bottom, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, there are pencils. You'll click it, and then you can write the answers. There we go. So click the pencil, and you can use your stylus, and you'll be able to write. I'm just using my mouse, so it's kind of messy. The answer, when you've done the whole worksheet, you're going to come down here, and this says save. When you click save, it's going to move it into your work binder. So it will be there. It will show up for me, and I will be able to see it. And when you click the X, you can go to my work, and you can see it too. Past work, it'll be over there, and it will show up on my end, so I will know that you've done your work.